In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Expensify using Google as your starting point. We'll walk through each step so you can feel confident managing your expenses efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. This is our launching pad for today's task. In the Google search bar, type in Expensify. This search will lead us to the platform that will help you organize and manage your expenses seamlessly. Once the search results appear, look for the link titled Expensify, Spend Management Software for Receipts and Expenses. Give that link a click, and let's get started. Upon landing on the Expensify website, look for the option that says Organize My Own Expenses. This is perfect for those of you wanting to handle your personal expenses with ease. Click on this option, and you'll be prompted to enter your personal email address. Make sure you use an active email address that you frequently check, because this is where you'll receive important notifications and help you keep track of your expenses. Once you've entered your email, click on Get Started. This begins your journey into the world of organized expense management. Next, you'll see a button labeled Join. Click on this button, which signifies your participation in Expensify's ecosystem. After joining, you'll notice an option to Skip. Click on this, and you can proceed without extra steps that might not be necessary for your initial setup. Now, you'll want to select Track and Budget Expenses. This option is crucial. It allows you to harness Expensify's full potential in effective expense tracking and budgeting. Continue by entering your first and last name. This step personalizes your account, ensuring that your expenses are accurately recorded and attributed to you. Next, click on Create Workspace. Workspaces are a great organizational tool within Expensify that lets you categorize and manage specific sets of expenses in a structured manner. Once your workspace is set up, click on Continue to move forward. You'll be glad to know that setting up a workspace ensures that your expenses are kept neat and orderly. At this point, you'll encounter the option to Start Test Drive or Skip. For the purpose of this video, let's choose Skip. This keeps our focus on getting you started without diving into a test drive, which you can always explore on your own time later. Finally, you will be redirected to the Expensify homepage. This marks the beginning of your journey with Expensify, where you can now explore the features and start organizing your expenses with efficiency and ease. Thank you for joining me today, and happy managing!